Well, good morning. Oh, that's better. Welcome to the Car Connection Workshop. Guess what we're doing? We're removing a stud this morning. So I wasn't going to show you another secret, but I am. It's 2 in a row on this car. You better put a comment down there. Otherwise, secrets? Gone. Gone. Can't give you everything. But if you bring me a coffee, hot coffee with a little donut with the chocolate sprinkles on, might be willing to give you some more. So let's jump right into it. Something simple could turn into a problem here. Who had my helmet on last? Oh, well, that feels better. I suddenly feel smarter. Crushing the melon helps. So make sure you have your safety goggles on. First and foremost, fellas and fellettes. Yes, and here we have a special mask just for Skippy. Yes, the Phantom of Motormouth. Yeah, so to protect her, positive and negatives off the battery, please. Yes, 2 reasons why, fellas. If you want to leave them on, that's up to you. It's your ECM, not mine, so I don't care. You don't want to blow your ECM, your computer, because you can backfeed it, and it can happen, and I've seen it happen. So I just have a single light giving me a little bit of light onto the bolt. The bolt is broken right here. We showed you that last week. So all I've done is just don't grind this puppy all the way down. I still have an edge there. So what I'm going to do is reach over here, because Skippy placed that ever so nice for me right there. And I'm going to put a nice rosette on the top of that. Then I'm going to take a nut. And you can use whatever size you want that fits that washer. You're not welding to the outside of the nut. You're going to put a rosette on there. Then you're going to put your nut on there, and then you're going to fill that. Okay, so we need to make sure we have a good ground, a good solid ground. And this is a ground here, so I'm hoping that will give us what we need. This is the other bolt here. It's not broken yet, but it's going to get a new bolt. You can see it's pretty rusted. It's pretty rustic, but we're going to replace that. So that's where we need to get to, is we need the hole to come back to us so that we can put a nice fresh pair of metric bolts in there. So we're going to go here like that. It'll give me a tiny bit of light, and we're jammed in here a little bit because if I open the door, the sun's right on us, and it'll pretty much blind me for welding. The other trick I do is, because I'm going to be welding so close to that bolt, is I take the cone off, the splash guard off the welder so I can see the tip, so I can get in here and give it a nice rosette. And I like to weld with both hands because I'm not a steady Eddie anymore, is I just hold myself and then just make a nice rosette, okay? Okay, so we do this for you. We're going under. Alrighty? Okay. Okay, we're going under. Contact. It's set for full proton torpedoes, because there could be a Romulan warbird hanging around. Okay, so we're going in. Okay, let that cool just a hair bit. Doesn't need to be beautiful, just needs to work. So I'm going to lay that on there. Don't get your fingies on there. We're going to fill in. Actually, what I'm going to do is, just give me a minute. I'm going to have a pair of pliers to hold that. Just step to the left. Give me some room here. Give me some room. Yeah. My friend. It's another apprentice. Doesn't play on its cell phone and always brings me nothing. So just take a pair of pliers. I like to use the needle nose pliers. So I'm just going to use this as my holdy device so that, see what I'm doing here? I don't have to hold it. It's going to give me enough weight to hang that there for me. And I'm going to come in and I'm going to fill that center. It's going to weld to the washer. Now that I got a nice rosette. So the rosette on the washer in the middle is on the stud. Now we put the nut onto the washer, and then we should be able to, all going well, another secret given away right here in the Car Connection Workshop. Oops, I nudged it. I want it right in the center. Okay. Well, that didn't work out. The wire caught it. That's me. Like I said, I'm not a millionaire welder. I'm really good on sheet metal. So I might have to get a new nut. I will. We have lots of them. And I think I'll go maybe a little bigger. I might. Then again, I might not. I might go a little bigger. Yeah, right here. Yeah, don't mess around. Just get a bigger one. Bigger hole. You can put any size on there you want as long as it's, you know, not beyond the washer. But then again, you could. It'll probably work. This will stay there nice now. I got a nice size hole in the middle. Okay, we're going in. Do we need that? It fell out of my helmet. Come on, brighten up, would you? That's what happened last time. I think the batteries might be going. Stinks. Yeah, it does. Stinks. I need to be able to see that. And I can't. That gives us what we need, baby. Just let that cool for a minute. And hopefully we can turn it out. If you can't, you know what? You just keep trying. You try it till you get it. That's what you do. You try it till you get it. So if it doesn't work on the first one, don't worry. Just do it again. Just leave the washer there on the stud and give it another shot. If you got to go to a bigger nut, go to a bigger nut. Sometimes you get in the first one, sometimes you don't. So don't panic. Like I said, I'm not an amazing welder, but I get by. So for those who are amazing welders, I really appreciate it. It's not like I'm welding every day, but I will get lots of experience coming up because I got to do a lot of welding on the TJ Wrangler. So, but I'm good with sheet metal. Let me sneak through. Excuse me. Make way. Was that your foot or mine? Yeah. What size do we need, Skippy? Do we know? You're overheating? Okay. All right, let's see what we can do here. If it doesn't work, we'll just cut there and I'll do what I got to do, but that's how you got to do it. Oh, that's the wrong size. Why didn't you tell me to get 9/16? See what you made me do? I feel like I have something on my head. It feels kind of quirky. Anyways, if I can get down on that. I did go a little off the side. Right there, so I may, yeah, that's where I think the battery's going in my helmet, because it's not giving me a clear lens right away. So that's how I went a little bit off to the side. So let me see, what's plan B? Plan B, because I can't get the socket on correctly, is a little hammer, or I try it with a wrench. Let me get a wrench. We'll see if that come out. Excuse me, mind my back. See if we can do it with a wrench. If not, that'll need the flapper wheel just to clean up the one side, and then I'll be able to get... Did you touch something? Who put that there? Need I ask? Let's set that up there, because I got to tuck it away. Let's see if we can get it with this. If not, like I said, I will use the flapper wheel. And I might not have a big grab on it. I'm hoping I do. Yeah. Here. And I didn't have to take the oxygen sensor out, which I thought was groovy food. Oh, no. So I'll just, I will grind that off with the flapper wheel, and I'll put a bigger nut on it, and then we will get it out for sure. So again, like I said to you, if you don't get it the first time, don't panic. Just clean that off, get another nut, and have another go. And you will get it. I can tell you right now, you will get it. So just be patient and do the same thing. Leave your battery disconnected. I'll take the flapper wheel to that, grind it down nice and clean, put another nut on a little bit larger, and then I will have success with that. So I thought maybe I could do it with a 9/16 nut, but it's not enough bite, because there really isn't much sticking out there, but we'll get it. The washer is welded to the stud. I just need to get a solid weld onto the washer, and we'll be just fine. So in the next one, you know what I'll do for you? You know what I'll do for you? I'll get you a coffee and a donut with the chocolate sprinkles on. Hey, you know, you can support the episode, any episode you like, by going to buymeacoffee.com/Motormouth Nile, N-I-L-E, and buy Skippy and I a coffee. Any amount that you can gift that you can give us is appreciated. So till the next one, happy, healthy motoring. Keep it under 100 in peace, patience, and kindness, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, if you're enjoying the videos like I know you are, ring the notification bell. It works.